Hello, welcome to my channel. For today I'm doing a gel removal and I will show you a different method. Normally we are using the acetone, but I will show you now something that I like and I'm confident in using it without damaging the nails and not drying them up. This set I done it for Valentine's Day. You can check the video. I will post it on the screen. It's a very easy way to do this set. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and if you want to check as well my TikTok account, beautifulforlove.nails. Every item that I'm using in this video, you can find it in the links in the description below. These Shane rhinestones that I bought were lasting very well for I think 2-3 weeks with no fall off. I'm removing the gel with carbide bead coarse type at 20,000 RPM speed. So I'm removing as much as possible from the nail plate. And you can see it's falling down immediately. And as well, I'm shortening the nail so it will be easier to remove product. I'm shortening the nail until my natural nail. So with this drill bit, I'm removing from builder gel as well because I want for the nail to be as thin as possible to apply the gel remover. There is a little bit of lifting, but this one you can see it only now after I remove the nails. Now, this is the magic bottle that I'm talking about. Is a magic removal from M-Share. I bought it from AliExpress. You have a link in the description below, and if you are ordering through that link, is an affiliate link, I will get a commission. Anything that you are ordering from AliExpress with that link. This magic bottle is you are just putting a little bit, as you can see, I'm dropping a little bit on nail, but there is one thing that I want to talk about. When I bought this magic removal, the liquid, it was clear. Now you can see that it became like an orange yellow color. Still, it didn't affect the result of the product. I don't know why it turned to this color. I didn't keep it in the sun. I didn't check why it turned to this color. I keep it closed and I keep it in a dark place. So I think the composition, it is not affected because it's working well. So I place a generous amount only on the parts where I have gel. I avoid to place it on natural nail, though it will not cause any damage. I've tried it before and there was no damage. I like this method for two reasons. One, it is very fast. I apply it and after 1 minute I can remove it, or 2 minutes. And second, is not drying my nails or cuticle area. With acetone, I had a very bad experience. I don't know if I post a video or I think I post some short videos for this. I had a very bad experience with acetone last time. My nails were very dry and I had numbness in my ringer finger. I had numbness, and the cuticle area, it was peeling off 2 weeks, up to 2 weeks after I used the acetone. So really bad experience. And you can see I keep it only for 1-2 minutes, and after that I'm taking the nail pusher and I'm removing the gel. It's falling off immediately, the gel with the product. What you can see now that is white is not damaged nail at all. So don't get scared. It is a much safer way to use this product than acetone. Or for people that are not comfortable with acetone, or you don't have acetone, or you are allergic to it, or any reaction, this is the safest way. After I'm using this, I'm removing all the gel with it. I can buff the nail. Buffing the nail, and it will remove any leftovers there, and that is the biggest part of removing nails. As you can see, this video is under 5 minutes long and is very easy and it's very less time consuming, this method. I really like it. I didn't try another brand for magic remover until now. I would be happy to try other brands if you are telling me, or if you comment down below if you ever tried this magic removal from M-Share or any other brands. Let me know and how is working for you. I think this is amazing, the method, and I've tried it only with gel. I don't know how it's working on acrylic. If any product is, even after buffing, if there is any gel left, you can still add a little bit of amount on that part. So it's a very easy way. Yeah. Now I'm just filing a little bit to equalize the nails as much as possible. And I will do a prep for a new set. And these were the first step, removing the gel with a drill bit, and after that removing the extension with this magic removal, buffing, and now I'm taking care of cuticles. So I push the cuticles a little bit, as much as I can. My cuticles are very dry normally and are really glued to skin. So I have to remove them very carefully from the skin. And I will use the drill bit for cuticles. This is the medium grit. I'm using it in reverse motion. And I'll just remove any left cuticle on the nail plate. I'm trying to push a little bit the cuticle to prepare it for trimming, but you can see is going what it is on the nail plate. It's very safe to use this bit. You can use it on skin, you can use it on nail, you can use it on cuticles. It is okay. All that white that was there, you see, is going off. Let me know if you are interested to see a tutorial on drill bits. I think I asked many times before, no one answered. If anyone is interested in seeing a video for drill bits, how to use them and what drill bits should we use and the order or something for them, in which order, let me know. Now that I pushed the cuticles as much as possible, I'm using the scissor from the cuticle scissor from Stalex, just to trim what it is excess there. I'm trying to be more careful with cuticles to not cut too much, but sometimes I'm going overboard. I've noticed that I'm going overboard with cutting cuticles only when it's very dry, the area. But you can see from now that the nail plate is looking fine, is hydrated, is having no lines, and is looking healthy. The nail plate is a little bit white only from the dryness now, but once I wash my hands, it's coming back to its natural color. And that was all for today. I will see you in my next video with a design for nails, I believe, or what we will see. I post videos weekly, and you can check also my other videos in the playlists. I have plenty of videos posted. So if you like my channel, please give a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to know when I'm posting new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.